In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record multiple screens with Loom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open Loom and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's quite easy to set up. Just follow the instructions on their website. Once you've logged in, you're ready to go. Look for the option that says New Video. It's usually right at the top of your screen, ready to guide you into your recording session. After clicking on New Video, you'll see some options that allow you to choose what type of recording you want to do. You have a choice between just the screen or a combination of screen and camera, depending on whether you want your lovely face included in the presentation. For recording multiple screens, you want to select either screen or screen plus camera, depending on your needs. Next, it's time to choose how much of your screen you want to record. Here you will want to select full screen if you want to capture everything. This option allows you to have the complete view of the desktop or application you're working in. If you have multiple monitors connected, Loom will give you a chance to choose which screen you want to record. Just click on the screen you wish to capture. Super simple. Once you've selected the appropriate screen, you'll notice a button that says Share or Start Recording. Go ahead and click that. Loom will then begin recording whatever is happening on the selected screen. While it's recording, you can go about your work, demonstrating whatever it is you want to show. This is perfect for tutorials, presentations, or meetings. Now let's talk about what happens if you want to record something on another monitor. First, you would need to stop your current recording. You can do this by clicking on the Loom icon, which should be on your screen, and selecting the option to end the recording. It's important to remember to stop the recording before moving to another screen to ensure everything is captured accurately. After you've stopped the first recording, navigate back to the Loom interface and get ready to start a new recording. Again, you'll follow the same process. Select New Video, choose your recording option, and then this time click on the new screen you want to record. Once again, you click Share or Start Recording and you're off. Repeat this process each time you want to switch between monitors. Just remember, you cannot record more than one screen simultaneously unless you're using specific features designed for that, which Loom might not offer. After finishing your multi-screen recording sessions, it's a good idea to review your videos. Loom allows you to play back the recordings you've made to ensure everything looks and sounds right. You can even edit some parts of your recording directly on Loom if you need to trim anything. And there you have it. You've now successfully learned how to record multiple screens using Loom. It's a straightforward process that can really enhance your ability to create engaging content. So whether you're creating tutorials, giving presentations, or collaborating with a team, Loom provides a flexible way for you to share your knowledge and ideas visually. If you liked this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Happy recording, and I'll see you in the next video.